What do you have to say, Anton?
Snug and shiny.
Snug and shiny. What's going on, everyone? Welcome back to Parsons Productions. Today we're going to go ahead and remove the window seal out of my 2003 Nissan 350Z. Let's get to it. Alrighty, we're back here at Anton's shop. We got the old Z out back here and running. She runs great now. She didn't run perfect before. She runs great. The window seal on top here looks like absolute trash. What would you say, Anton?
Looks like shit.
It does look like shit. And yeah, the main reason we want to get rid of this is we're going to do the rear window louver. And before we put that louver on, we want to be sure to remove this. Oh, just like that. I guess that goes out.
Removed.
Perfect. From Z1 Motorsports, we got the new 350Z window seal. It was only like $100, wasn't too bad, but it came with some nifty little stickers. We're gonna go ahead and install this. I honestly have zero clue how to do it, but we'll go ahead and give it a shot.
Well, I just put that out. Yeah. Nice. That's not that interesting. Alright, now we have a bunch of dirt in here.
So you can see this old one is super nasty, super all crusty, but new one should fix that. Okay, so now with the rear seal off, it actually came off super easy. We got to go ahead and take some compressed air and blow that off. There's all sorts of debris inside here. And then we're gonna go ahead and delete this as well too. Anton's got the old impacty wacty up. We're gonna go ahead and pop it on off.
It's free.
Don't scratch the paint, bro.
I can't get it off, Tony.
Tony Stank to the rescue.
Tony can't get it off either.
It's moving. It's off.
I was filming the dog, but
Tony Strength. Alrighty, we're gonna go ahead and take the blow off nozzle and we're gonna blow off everything around. Anton just took it down with Lysol. We'll see what happens. There's another piece in here. Oh. All right, our next step is to install this. Neither of us know anything about this or how to do it. So we're just gonna go and try to
figure it out.
Kind of send it. But hey, get out of here. All right, so we ran into a little bit of a problem. There is a piece of the old seal right here, if you can see it. We need to go ahead and cut that off because the seal isn't wanting to fit properly with that on. So we're gonna go ahead and pop that off. Anton's whipping up a tool right now. We'll be getting that done here in a second. All right, so what's going on? We got all of this in. That actually went in incredibly easy. Next we have the top seal. This little adhesive goes on the underside of the window, and yeah, it goes just like that. So we'll go ahead and put that in. We'll try it out. Alrighty, well, she looks pretty good. That was actually stupid easy. fits actually really nice. All that seal is replaced. Now we can go ahead and put the louver on.
Snug and shiny.
What do you have to say, Anton?
Snug and shiny.
Snug and shiny. Like
That's what
that.
you should call that video.
All right, that concludes it for this episode of Parsons Productions. We'll see you in the next one.